Hey guys, this is your girl Money Queen, and we're back with a quick tutorial. Today I'll be using the Beachwaver B1 to curl my hair. This wig is from Amazon. It is a 10-inch gray storm wig, as we call her, and today I will be curling her. As you can see, I am curling the hair right now, and it does take time. This is like a learning process. I'm not used to curling my hair, so this is like the first time me doing it and using it. What I do realize is that you have to do it in small sections and you have to do it real slow and make sure you do curl away from the face. So I'm basically showing you guys how to use it, and everything will be linked down below where I got everything from. The curls came out super cute. They're super popping. I love them. But I'm going to do this again and see if I can get it great to the T. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys do subscribe and follow. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah.